Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the Holikme 20Pack drill brush attachment set. This incredible set includes 20 pieces of drill cleaning attachments and buffer polishing accessories, making it the ultimate cleaning and polishing kit. With 8 different shapes of medium drill power scrubber brushes, 6 different stiffnesses scouring pads, 3 sponge polishing pads, and 1 white wool buffer pad, this set has everything you need to clean and polish various surfaces in your home. From bathtub and grout to kitchen appliances and car detailing, this set has got you covered. The nylon bristles will not scratch any surfaces, and the sponge and wool pads are perfect for waxing, polishing, and sealing glaze. The installation is simple, just attach the pads to the backer and connect it to your drill. Please note that the drill itself is not included. It is recommended to use this set with other cleaning products for even better results. And if for any reason the product is not suitable for your drill, don't worry, we support all unsuitable returns. So, if you're ready to make cleaning and polishing easier than ever, click the link in the description to get your Holikme 20Pack drill brush attachment set today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing products and reviews. Thanks for watching.